I really feel like Joanne the scammer in this hair. Like, I feel like I'm in White Chicks movie. I feel like saying, darling, I remember when it was all so simple then. And if I had the chance to do it all again, tell me, could we memories in the corners of my mind, misty watercolor memories of the way we were. What I came here to give you. Let me do my job, okay? I feel like reporting live from San Diego, Chatney B here. So let me get to the construction of this cap. There is 2 combs on the side here. There's 1 comb in the back. There is adjustable straps as well. It is big head friendly to say the least. It's kind of snug on my hair, but it is not too tight. The hair did not come with any lace whatsoever. That is a plus as well. The wig feels very secure on my head and like it's not going anywhere. I'm not using the adjustable straps, but I am using the combs, and that is perfect enough for me. What I do not like about the construction of this cap is the fact that this bad boy here is so bulky. Some point of this does not have to be so bulky. So you could choose to pluck the part if you would like. As you can see in the video, I also had to take some eyeshadow. You can take something black and do the roots because I'm not used to wearing a full straight on like blonde unit. I prefer for it to have black roots coming down and ombreing into the blonde. So that's something I don't like about the construction. So I will have to do some more work on it in regards to blacking this out here to make it look a little bit more natural and realistic. But I thought that this will work for right now, considering the fact of where it came from. I prefer black roots and then coming into the blonde, just so we can do some type of color play on my skin tone, because I don't think I look good in just an all blonde wig. I think I need some type of black tones underneath or at the base or the root of the hair. So all the way through and through, it is completely blonde. There is no black in the hair. That's pretty much it. It has a lot of different layers to give it a lot of volume. It's okay. I like how the layers is falling. I can say that up close and personal. But baby, darling, this is what this reminds me of. And it's just outside of my comfort zone. So I will try my best to give you the most honest review outside of the color. We'll talk about the hair. Let's go ahead and take it back. Imagine me having this color here, but here is Rodem. So I am 5'4". She's coming to my boob area. She's not that long at all, but she is a nice length. She does have little loose curls and a couple of different layers in her, which complements the hair very nicely. As you can see, it has just a hint of like a lighter blonde at the tips and at the end. So I thought that was a cute little play as well. I just wish that it had darker roots. But the tips and stuff, I do like how the tips are dipped. All right, now taking it back to the actual full length of the hair. I can say that the way that it is falling, and I know what they were trying to do with this hair. So ultimately, I will give them the fact of the layered look. It kind of gives me that old Farrah Fawcett type of flow. So I think that maybe in a black, it would have been better for me. So I do like the tips at the bottom of this hair though. That is really a pretty cute play on this hair. It's like a light blondish platinum blonde kind of color, which I do like that a lot. There's like hints of the platinum blonde in this hair. I'm just not used to this color, so maybe it has to grow on me. I'm not sure. You guys tell me how you like this. The density at the bottom, I could say this, it's very thick and full at the top, and I guess that's the way that they were trying to make it, the type of style where it's kind of a lot of volume up here, and then it goes down to be very thin down here. It is constructed to be thick at the top with a lot of volume, you know, a lot of volume. I love my people, okay? I love you whether you are this or this, okay? But this hair right here, this is meant for this right here. This, especially this color. So, I would say if you are this right here, this is for you perfectly. It is for you. Or like I said, if you like something that's a little bit more mature, because I feel like this makes me look a little bit more mature. I don't know, guys. Y'all tell me what y'all think about this hair. It's different. I don't do this color. It's making me feel like I'm Suzanne instead of Chad. And I don't know if I would rock this wig. I'm trying to see if I would probably rock this wig in black. I would definitely have to pluck the parting area and take some irons to it so it can look a little bit more natural. But this color clearly says it's a wig. I'm a wig. That is about it for this hair. I like the length on it. I like the color play at the tips. It looks like it's dipped at the tips. I do like that. The layers are pretty okay. I like the fact that there was no lace to cut off. Other than that, I don't really particularly care for the color. I don't care for how thick it is up at the top. It is making it look very wiggish, and you would really have to do a lot of work to the hairline for it to look natural. For this type of color, if you do like this color, it is pretty. It's a pretty color. It's just not the color for me. So if you are interested in this wig, it will be coming up very soon. And I'm going to find a way to rock this hair, to make this hair work, because it's not a horrible wig at all. It's just the color that's throwing me off. And I wish that it would have been a more pleasing color to me that I'm used to. But, you know, hey, I want to be able to bring all different types of colors and styles of hair to you all, because although we're pretty girls, we're all different and we like different styles. And so I'm trying to bring something that I feel like will work for somebody out there who is watching me. If you already got dibs on this wig, honey, then tag me on Instagram. Let me see how it looks on you. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me at @TheReal_ChetneyB, which will be down below somewhere in this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 3,000 subscribers. It is my birthday month, so make that happen for me, guys. I'll be so happy. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. In the meantime, in between time, make sure that you take care of yourself, because if you don't take care of yourself, you can't come back to see me, and that is just not fair. Pinky promise I will do the same as I continue to get better and better and better from this code. I love you guys. I love you. I love you. I love you. And I will see you on the next video. Reporting live, Suzanne.